Wow, it is pissing down. Another day getting hectic stuff done in the race car. It's been challenging. Got heaps of little jobs done, but nothing really massive out of the way. Got cars moved around. Damo's come up. What are you doing?
Doing the dial gauge thing. Check the run out on the front brake discs.
So yeah, just more routine maintenance on the race car because this thing gets such a hiding, and we're fighting with everything we got. Like maintenance is the key really. So front brake rotors, front brake pads, just check they are all good to make it through the next race meeting. So checking run out, looking for cracks, checking pad thickness, all that good stuff. You can have up to 0.15 of a mil run out from top to bottom of the pad. We had between 5 and 10, so good to go. Happy days there. Causes all sorts of issues, vibration and knock off, so yeah, good to check it out. So just use the press to push out the toe bushes on the back knuckles, and then used a little cup puller type set which I used to pull out the camber and shock bushes. I was going to put all the new bushes in, but they're just the rear knuckles just needed a good clean up, so I'll get those blasted, good, looking like new, and then we'll put the new bushes in, ready to go into the car. Then we played the typical Australian castle game of moving cars around. It's good to get the RX-7 started. I haven't started that car in a couple of months, so start that up, put it in the trailer, take it for a burn up for the track, and move them around. Put the other car away, do the same, move the coupe into the trailer, and then job done. Super good having the car at home. Flynn was keen to help on it just before he went to bed. I really don't like having the cars at home, working on them at home. It just makes such a mess. I don't like having that much junk around the house. Much rather work on it in a proper workshop, and you know, big things to come there. Pretty hectic day today. Got a fair bit done. Went to Damo's this morning. He had to make way for a new hoist to go into the workshop, so I gave him a hand there. And while I was there, I pressed all the bushes out of the spare GDR rear hubs. That's so we can get the replace all the bushes in them, then put those on the car, and then pull the ones that are on the car off, keep them for spares. So then I've got all new bushes for everything in the back there now. The old ones are done a couple of years, so give them a refresh. Took the RX-7 up to the other shed, brought the coupe back, put it on the rotisserie, as you can see. Got to get the rest of the guff stripped out of it now. Roger's going to come around, check out the sills, then we'll get it up, probably up to 1 smash, and get the sills straightened out. So yeah, making progress. So yeah, pretty good. Big thanks to all the guys that helped out. Damo's just a legend. He just does so much work on this car. Next event we got, I think there's a time attack in the middle of August. We might do the Skyline. Other than that, there's Collie at the end of the month, end of August for us. So I'll race the Skyline there. I'll do that. Andy's going to be away, so that'd be good. I've ordered a couple of new bits for the Skyline, so hopefully they turn up in time, and see what we can do at Collie. Cheers. Make sure you get over and follow all the guys that help me out and look after me. Damo at DC Autos, just a legend. Andy and Richard at Hyperdrive, always helping out, always got the car on point. Steve at MSE Turbos in New Zealand, Merch Motorsport, just the whole set's cranking, love it. Shane at Behind the Sport, that podcast that we get up to is just hell of a laugh. Chris at Shockworks, this stuff's absolutely transformed the car and the way it works. And of course, Lux Performance for your good gear. Get onto it.